Display size. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is 6.7 inches. Xiaomi 14 Ultra is 6.73 inches. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is 6.8 inches. Display resolution. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is 1290 into 2796 pixels, with 460 ppi density. Xiaomi 14 Ultra is 1440 into 3200 pixels, with 522 ppi density. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is 1440 into 3120 pixels, with 505 ppi density. Display type. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED. Xiaomi 14 Ultra is LTPO AM OLED. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is Dynamic LTPO AM OLED 2X. Display protector. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is Ceramic Shield Glass. Xiaomi 14 Ultra is Xiaomi Shield Glass. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is Corning Gorilla Armor. Operating system. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is iOS 17, upgradable to iOS 17.5.1. Xiaomi 14 Ultra is Android 14, HyperOS. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is Android 14, One UI 6.1. Chipset. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is Apple A17 Pro. Xiaomi 14 Ultra is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Processor. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is Hexacore processor. Xiaomi 14 Ultra is Octa-core processor. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is Octa-core processor. GPU. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is Apple GPU. Xiaomi 14 Ultra is Adreno 750. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is Adreno 750. RAM. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is 8 GB. Xiaomi 14 Ultra is 12 GB and 16 GB. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is 12 GB. ROM. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is 256 GB, 512 GB and 1 TB. Xiaomi 14 Ultra is 256 GB, 512 GB and 1 TB. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is 256 GB, 512 GB and 1 TB. Front camera. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is 12MP wide-angle camera with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Xiaomi 14 Ultra is 32MP wide-angle camera with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is 12MP wide-angle camera with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Back camera. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is 48MP wide, 12MP periscope telephoto, and 12MP ultra-wide camera with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Xiaomi 14 Ultra is 50MP wide, 50MP telephoto, 50MP periscope telephoto, and 50MP ultra-wide camera, with 1080p, 4K, and 8K video recordings. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is 200MP wide, 10MP telephoto, 50MP periscope telephoto, and 12MP ultra-wide camera, with 1080p, 4K, and 8K video recordings. Connectivity. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Maxes, GSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE, and 5G. Xiaomi 14 Ultra is GSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE, and 5G. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is GSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE, and 5G. Battery. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Maxes, 4,441 mAh battery, with 15 watt fast charging. Xiaomi 14 Ultra is 5,000 mAh battery, with 90 watt fast charging. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is 5,000 mAh battery, with 45 watt fast charging. Results.